Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be talking about the charging problems of your device Samsung A32. So if you want to fix slow charging problem in your device Samsung A32, you have to follow a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you are the first one to know when I upload anything new. Now watch this complete video and you will learn how you can fix slow charging problem in your device.